So, question I asked, how flammable are the clothes we wear? There are 3 different shirts, purchased, brand new, never washed, never worn. And we're going to get started, light them on fire. The first one, 100% cotton, short sleeve t-shirt. Now we ignite all the t-shirts hanging up on the bottom left corner. And as you can see, the cotton ignited relatively easy. It produces a significant amount of smoke coming from the collar, and it climbs up the shirt. The flame climbs up the shirt rather nicely. Pay attention to the flame spread and the height of the flame produced when you want to compare it to the other 2 products that we use for the testing. Significant amount of fire, significant amount of heat. All told, the t-shirt failed and fell from the hanger at 55 seconds thereabouts. So 100% cotton. It is important to remember this is a short sleeve, so it's a little different than the other 2 test materials. The next one is 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Again, we try to ignite it in the same location. It was interesting, took a little bit more heat to get this to go. That cotton poly blend was a little harder to get ignited. But as you're going to see in the video here, it produces rather spectacular flame and more smoke than the cotton material. And one of the reasons why there might have been more flame is because we had that extra 8 or 10 inches of material on the sleeve. It's just hard to find 3 long sleeve t-shirts on short notice. But a significant amount of fire. Again, it produced a lot of flame. 16, 20 inches worth of flame height off the top of the material, and it goes to failure at approximately 70 seconds. So it took a little bit longer to fail. All in all, interesting burn on this particular product. Third and final shirt, 100% polyester. I guess the noteworthy thing about this is that it took a lot to get it to go, and once you withdrew the heat of the torch, it had a tendency to self-extinguish. I didn't bother calculating how much time this was to failure because it took so long. Of all 3 materials, 100% polyester produced the least amount of flame and the slowest flame. The slowest flame spread. Obviously, all 3 materials have their pluses and minuses. I don't consider what your kid's wearing as the most important thing, as the fact that you keep matches and lighters away from kids so they can't play with these things. That's probably the biggest thing to learn from this particular video. Obviously, the 100% cotton was probably the easiest to ignite, produced a significant amount of flame. The cotton polyester blend was a little harder to get ignited, but once it was ignited, it produced a significant amount of flame. And then this 100% polyester, while it doesn't spread flame across the material, what it does do, as you see in the video, is it drips. The material basically turns to liquid and drops to the ground. Now this would potentially spread the fire to the child's legs, pants, and also to surrounding materials. If, say the kid was playing with matches and lighters in the house, and he's dripping fire as he's running down the hallway, obviously we could have some problems. So the big thing I think is to remember is it's not so much what your kid wears, it's just you have to keep matches and lighters away from kids. That's how we're going to keep them safe. So all in all, fun test. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.